Let's look at 5 ways you can turn $10 into $100. Number 5. Flip something online. Gone are the days when flipping something meant visiting a garage sale. Now flipping can be done online, and it can be a great way to make some extra cash. The process is relatively simple. Find an item that you think you can sell for more than you paid for it. List it for sale online and wait for someone to buy it. Of course, there is a bit more to it than that. For one thing, you need to make sure that you do your research before making any purchase. You also need to be aware of the fees associated with listing and selling items online. But if you're smart about it, you can definitely turn a profit by flipping something online. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how successful you can be. Number 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is a relatively new way to invest in property without having to come up with the full purchase price yourself. Essentially, you pool your money with other investors and then use that money to buy a property. Real estate crowdfunding can be a great way to get started in investing in real estate without a lot of money up front, and if you choose wisely, you can stand to make a significant return on your investment. Number 3. Print on demand. Print on demand is a type of manufacturing in which products are only printed when there is an order for them. This differs from traditional manufacturing in which products are produced in advance and then stored until they are sold. Print on demand businesses typically use automated printing technology to produce items quickly and without the need for large quantities of inventory. This makes it an ideal option for entrepreneurs who want to start their own business with limited startup capital. Number 2. Invest in stocks. When you invest in stocks, you are essentially buying a piece of a company. If the company does well, the value of your shares will go up, and you can sell them for a profit. Of course, there is always the risk that the stock will go down in value. In that case, you would lose money on your investment. However, over the long run, stocks tend to go up in value, which is why investing in stocks is one of the best ways to grow your wealth. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a great way to make some extra money. The first step is to come up with an idea for a channel. You can choose to focus on a specific hobby or interest, or you can produce educational or entertaining content. Once you have a concept, the next step is to create videos. You can use a simple camera or your phone to record yourself. Once you have a few videos, it's time to start promoting your channel. You can use social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook to share your videos and attract viewers. As your audience grows, you will begin to generate revenue from advertising and sponsorships. With a little hard work and dedication, it's easy to turn $10 into $100 with a YouTube channel. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.